Welcome back to Sealer Saturdays, where we give you tips and tricks on all things vacuum sealing on Saturdays. Today we're continuing on adding to our chamber vacuum hacks, and this one is a good one. We're going to be vacuum sealing mason jars using our USV32 Chamber Sealer. First, if you guys like this video and want to see more like it, please hit that like and subscribe button. To vacuum seal a mason jar, all you need to do is take your mason jar and we're going to lightly screw on the lid. We call it fingertip tight. Then place that mason jar into our USV32 chamber and run a vacuum and seal cycle on it. Once it's complete, take the jar out and screw on the lid all the way, and now you have a perfectly sealed mason jar. As a side note, our USV32 can fit up to a quart-sized jar. Now, using this method, you're only able to do dry goods. If you want liquids or don't have a chamber sealer, you can place up to a quart-sized mason jar into our tallest vacuum canister, and using an external hose, you can run a vacuum and seal cycle on that. If you want to see that method being used, you can click this card right here and it'll take you to a recipe video we made using that method. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. This has been Parker with Avid Armor. We'll see you next time.